Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting-edge world of artificial intelligence. Today, we'll be diving into AI breakthroughs that have revolutionized our world. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves creating intelligent machines that can simulate human-like thinking, reasoning, and decision-making processes. AI aims to enable machines to learn from data, adapt to new information, and make predictions or decisions based on that knowledge. AI encompasses a wide range of technologies and techniques that enable machines to mimic or replicate human cognitive abilities. These include machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and more. These technologies enable machines to understand and interpret data, recognize patterns, make predictions, understand and generate human language, process images and videos, and interact with the physical world. Now you know a bit more about AI, let's get started. At number 10, we have expert systems. In the 1970s, AI researchers developed a system that mimicked human expertise in specific domains. These early expert systems paved the way for knowledge-based AI applications. Next up, at number 9, we have natural language processing. This breakthrough allowed computers to understand and respond to human language. Think of Siri or Alexa. It opened doors to voice assistants, chatbots, and machine translation. Coming in at number 8 is computer vision. With the advancements in machine learning, computers can now see and understand images and videos. This breakthrough has applications in autonomous vehicles, facial recognition, and even medical imaging. Moving on to number 7, we have deep learning. This breakthrough utilizes artificial neural networks with multiple layers, enabling machines to learn complex patterns and make accurate predictions. Deep learning has revolutionized fields like image recognition, natural language processing, and recommendation systems. At number 6, we have reinforcement learning. This breakthrough enables AI systems to learn by trial and error, receiving feedback on their actions. It's like teaching a computer to play games and improve its performance over time. Reinforcement learning has brought us advancements in robotics, gaming, and even stock trading. Halfway through our countdown, we have autonomous vehicles at number 5. AI has made incredible strides in self-driving technology, enabling vehicles to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate complex traffic situations. The future of transportation is here. Coming in at number 4 is robotics. AI-powered robots are transforming industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. These intelligent machines can perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency, enhancing productivity and opening up new possibilities. At number 3, we have generative AI. This breakthrough involves training AI models to create original content, such as music, art, and even storytelling. It's pushing the boundaries of creativity and blurring the lines between human and machine-generated works. Moving on to number 2, we have virtual assistants. These intelligent chatbots and voice-activated assistants like Siri and Alexa have become an integral part of our daily lives. They can answer questions, perform tasks, and help us stay organized, making our lives more convenient. And finally, at the top of our list, we have AlphaGo. This AI breakthrough marked a significant milestone in the field of AI by defeating the world champion Go player. It showcased the power of AI in mastering complex strategic games and opened up new possibilities for solving real-world problems. That concludes our countdown of the top 10 AI breakthroughs of all time. From expert systems to virtual assistants and beyond, artificial intelligence continues to reshape our world. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in this fascinating field. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel.